Hello, mic test 1 2 3. Hello.
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for commencement of the proceedings?
Yes.
I request the chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, to welcome the newly transferred honorable judge.
Gurgi and Sree HCK Shetty, Learned Advocate General of Karnataka, K. Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General, Sri Shanti Bhushan, Venkatesh Karekal, and Sudhar Singh, Assistant Solicitor Generals, Learned Additional Advocates Generals, Vinay B. Mangrekar, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Sri Y.R. Sadashiv Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Srimati Mahalakshmi Nelle, Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Sri B.A. Bediyappa, and Sri Vijay Kumar Majge, State Public Prosecutors, Sri B.N. Jagdish, Additional State Public Prosecutor, K.N. Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, High Court of Karnataka, Learned Registrar General and Judicial Officers, Sri Lakshman Pramu K. President, Venkana Vasmani, Secretary and Office Bearers of Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, Sri Vivek Subbareddy, President, Sri Girish Kumar CS, Vice President, Sri Praveen Gowda HV, General Secretary, Srimati Sweta Ravishankar, Treasurer and Office Bearers of the Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Sri Vijay Kumar M. Silwant, President, Sri Santosh B. Malgaud, Vice President, Sri Anand R. Kolli and Office Bearers of Advocates Association, Dharwad, Pasare Mahangavi, President, Sri Anant Jagirdar, Vice President, Sri Gaurish Kashampur, General Secretary and Office Bearers of Advocates Association, Kalaburgi, family members of the Hon'ble Srimati Justice Pergu Sree Sudha, learned members of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council, I am delegated to extended you warm and heartily welcome on your assumption as a Judge of High Court of Karnataka, Bengaluru today. For me personally, it is an honor and privilege to welcome your lordship to the High Court of Karnataka during my tenure of Chairman of Karnataka State Bar Council. Honorable Srimati Justice Perugu Sree Sudha, you were the eldest daughter of Srimati Padmavati and Sri Venkateshwara, who also retired and as a judicial officer. You had your schooling in Adoni and Kurnool. You graduated in Pulivedu of Kadapa district. You obtained law degree from AC College of Law, Guntur. Your Lordship enrolled as an advocate on the rule of Andhra Pradesh and practiced at Tenalu, Sri Kalavasti and Kavali. Your Lordship was selected as a district record judge and joined as a service 21/8/2002. You served as a first additional district and session judge, Nizamabad, special judge of boom blast cases, additional judge from Family Court, Hyderabad, chairperson of the Land Appellate Tribunal, 2, additional district judge, Hyderabad, Industrial Tribunal of Warangal and Kammamma districts, Judge Mahal, Mahila Court, Metropolitan Session Judge at Vijayawada, Principal District and Session Judge at Karimnagar, Visakhapatnam, Nizamabad, and has a Chief Judge, City Civil Court, Hyderabad, Special Judge for ACB cases, Hyderabad, Chairperson, VAT Appellate Tribunal, Transport Appellate Tribunal, and as a Director, Judicial Academy, Sikandrabad. You were elevated to the bench as a permanent judge, High Court for the state of Telangana, and assumed charge on 15th October 2021. You are happily married to Dr. P. Srikant Babu. With a member of the legal fraternity and the bar have high exemption of your valuable contribution to renew this great High Court of Karnataka. Karnataka High Court has a glorious tradition and it's the home for many great judges. I am sure your Lordship will also join the ranks of the celebrated judges of this court. It is now endeavor of the bar and bench to see that a meaningful approach and cooperation exists between the two will of chairs. The Justice Karnataka is a prime example of the same. With the members of the bar, our relationship partners in the task of dispensation of justice, and I assure your Lordship that the Karnataka State Bar Council and the legal fraternity will extend it to unstranded support in this regard. I once again join the members of the bar in extended wholeheartedly cooperation will discharge your duty. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Now I request Honorable Srimati Justice Perugu Sree Sudha to give reply to the welcome address.
Namaste to all. Ellarigu Namaskara. My Lord Acting Chief Justice, Sri V. Kameshwarrao, my esteemed brother and sister judges, Sri Mittal Code, Chairman of Karnataka State Bar Council and other members, Sri Shashi Kiran Shetty, Advocate General, Sri Arvind Kamath, Additional Solicitor General of India, Sri Shanti Bhushan, Deputy Solicitor General of India, and other Central Government Council, Additional Advocate General, State Public Prosecutors, Government Advocates, Sri Vivek Subbareddy, President Advocate Bar Association, Bengaluru, Sri Praveen Gowda, General Secretary, Srimati Sweta Ravishankar, Treasurer, and other executive members of the Bar Association, Mrs. Prabha Murthy, President, Indian Federation of Women Lawyers, Ms. Hamsa, Secretary, and other office bearers, Sri Bharat Kumar, Registrar General, and his team of registrars and officers of the registry, learned judicial officers, senior counsels, and other members of the bar, my family members, relatives, friends, and advocates who came from state of Telangana. I express my thanks to Sri Mittal Code for introducing me to the August gathering, and I'm really happy for the warm welcome by the colleague officers and also by the bar members. I was enrolled in the Bar Association of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh in the year 1992. I was inducted into the judicial service in 2002 as a district judge by direct recruitment in my first attempt at the age of 34 years. I was elevated to Telangana High Court on 15/10/2021 and successfully completed my tenure of 3.5 years in the parent High Court. Let me share my association with the state of Karnataka. In the month of April, I attended South Zone Conference relating to family court matters at Bangalore as one of the committee members from Telangana. It was well organized, fabulous, and enriching. I had an occasion to interact with Honorable Justice B.V. Nagaratna ma'am, who graced the occasion, Honorable Justice N.V. Anjaria, the then Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Anu Shivraman ma'am, brother and sister judges of the Karnataka, including Justice Lalita Kannaganti and Justice Sumalata. I had long cherished a dream to visit Bengaluru. So I also visited Bengaluru, Halebeedu, and Belawadi temples and overwhelmed with joy. I love to visit historic city of Hampi, capital city of Vijayanagara Empire. I have seen Mysore Chamundeshwari temple, Mangalore, Kukke, and Udupi once. My husband studied his postgraduate medical degree in Mysore and is well versed in speaking Kannada language. My schooling was in Adoni of Kurnool district, a neighboring district to the state of Karnataka, so I can understand the language to some extent, but I'll definitely learn to speak the language with your help. When I am transferred to this state, I'm informed about the heritage of this High Court, work culture, and able assistance of the Bar Association members by colleagues, seniors, and friends. So I'm looking forward to work with you all in my second innings. I take this opportunity to rededicate myself to the cause of justice. I entered judicial service by choice and worked with passion all through. So I will definitely work to the expectations of bar and bench with the cooperation and support of all of you. Thank you very much.
May I seek your lordship's kind permission for concluding of the proceeding.
Yes.
As directed by Honorable Acting Chief Justice, the courts at the principal bench and benches at Dharwad and Kalburgi will commence at 12 noon.
ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ